Tugezeeko kugenda wali banaye batugane Buganyi naye nga tugezezza.
Berambi mu Uganda ku abantu bazira mirembe abana mawulira abandi bayiro.
I think there has been some predetermined arrangement, you know, because given that they knew that we were coming here, the place looked very clean, and we were ushered in for coffee and tea, which we declined because we came to do work.
You didn't take tea?
No.
How about food?
We could not do anything. Our work was to come here and make sure that we do what was supposed to be done.
Ebikulu bye tulowooza nti biri munda eyo tebiriiyo kati ng'abantu tubeera eno ne tulowooza nti eriyo abantu abangi tebaliiyo tusanzeeyo abantu nga 20 ekyo se bangi
nga bali mu mbeera ki?
bali mu mbeera nnungi nnyo babaliisa bulungi babalabirira bulungi.
The message that was there general was that they are being tortured from outside, not inside.
Horrible situation in the country, and the unfortunate thing is that nothing is being disclosed in this place. There are no facts of what is happening here, but the fact of the matter is there is torture. I checked the medical book of this place, and most of the people treated for wounds, for pains, back pains and pains all over the body, and that is what is there. And those people, you don't get them. The people who are treated for wounds, they are not seen. But the people whom they presented to us are those without wounds. So these were concerns they could not answer. And I think we're going to press more. We're going to have more interviews with more people. There's a conflicting issue. Those who have been arrested for torturing the mayor, they are saying the mayor was tortured from here, was not from Kampala. The administrator says the mayor was tortured from Kampala, not when he was already tortured. These are issues we are going to resolve. But the fact of the matter is there is torture taking place in this place. And one of the medical persons agreed that one of the patients was brought to them when even blood was flowing from the ears. And this is what is happening in our country, Uganda. It is unacceptable, irrespective of the party somebody comes from, whether you're NRM or what. Because even the mayor who is tortured here is NRM chairperson.